subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Oppo has launched its new 5G phone under A series in China called Oppo A1 Pro. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Oppo A1 Pro features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 690 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is again expandable via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo A1 Pro supports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that houses a 108MP main camera with f1.7 aperture and a 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4800 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support. And on the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with ColorOS 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.3 by 74.3 by 7.7mm and it weighs around 171 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo A1 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Moonsea Black, Duan Gold and Morning Rain Blue color options. And it is set to go on sale starting from November 25th. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A1 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.